Hi students, I am Harikrishnan from Bharathaksam Metric High Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to take 6th standard mathematics. The chapter name is Playing with Numbers. So we know division. So listen, if you go to milk stall, we purchase 10 liter milk. So 10 liter milk equal to 1000 rupees. 10 liter milk equal to 1000 rupees. So we want 1 liter milk cost, the cost of 1 liter milk. So cost of 1 liter milk equal to 10,000. Total cost divided by number of liters. So total cost is 1000 divided by number of liters. So number of liters how much here? Right, 10. 1000 divided by 10 we get 100. So the cost of 1 liter milk equal to 100 rupees. So this is division. In the same way, divisibility test. So divisibility test means divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. If such a number is divisible by 2 table or 3 table or 4 table or 5 table, what we find easily. So that methods are divisibility test. We are using divisibility test. So listen, the previous class we discussed divisibility test, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 and divisible by 4, divisible by 5, divisible by 6 and divisible by 7, divisible by 8, divisible by 9 and divisible by 10 condition and divisible by 11 and the last one divisible by 12. So today we are entering into exercise 2.1. So listen, first one, so divisible by 2. So divisible by 2 condition what? Very good. The unit place is 0 or even number. So divisible by 2 condition, the unit place is 0 or even number. So this is divisible by 2 condition. Divisible by 3 condition, sum of the digit, very good. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means then the whole number is also divisible by 3, very good. So sum of the digit. So divisible by 3 and divisible by 9, the same condition, listen, divisible by 3, sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Okay, in the same way divisible by 9 condition, sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Sum of the digit is divisible by 9 means then the whole number is also divisible by 9. Okay, so sum of the digit, 9 also same, sum of the digit here divided by 3. Sum of the digit divided by 3. Here sum of the digit divided by 9. Sum of the digit divided by 9. Next one, divisible by 6. So divisible by 6, listen, using prime factorization method, 6, 2 3s are 6, next 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 3. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both means then the number is exactly divisible by 6. So this is divisible by 6 condition. What? Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So both conditions satisfied means then the number is exactly divisible by 6 table. So divisible by 6 condition both satisfied, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Divisible by 2 and 1 divisible by 3 condition. So next one, divisible by 4. If the number last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means then the whole number is also divisible by 4. So this is divisible by 4 condition, last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is divisible by 4. Last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means then the whole number is also divisible by 4. In the same way, divisible by 8 condition. What divisible by 8 condition? Very good. Last 3 digit. So last 3 digit is divisible by 8 means then the whole number is also divisible by 8. So divisible by 8 condition. Last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is divisible by 8 means then the whole number is also divisible by 8. Next one, divisible by 9 condition. Divisible by 9 over. Next, divisible by 10. Divisible by 5. So listen, divisible by 5 condition, the unit place is 0 or 5. If the unit place is 0 or 5 means then the number is exactly divisible by 5 table, right? If the number if the unit digit is 0 or 5 means then the number is exactly divisible by 5 table. In the same way, divisible by 10, if the unit digit is 0 means then the number is exactly divisible by 10 table. Well, next, divisible by 11 condition. Divisible by 11 condition, sum of odd digit minus sum of even digit is 0. The difference between the sum of odd digit and sum of even digit is 0 or multiple of 11 means then the number is exactly divisible by 11 table. Okay, this is divisible by 11 condition. Then after next, divisible by 12. Divisible by 12 condition, if a number is divisible by 3 and 4, if a number is divisible by 3 and 4 means then the number is exactly divisible by 12th table, right? This is divisible by 12 condition. So next, exercise 3.1. So next, exercise 3.3, first Roman, give an example of a number which is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 4. So give any one example, divisible by 2 but not divisible by 4. So the number is greater than 4. Greater than 4 means we take 6. We take 6. 6 is divisible by 2 table. How many times? Right, 3 times. 2 3s are 6. But 6 is not divisible by 4 table. 4 1s are 4, then after 4 2s are 8. So 6. The example is 6. Next one, divisible by 2 but not divisible by 6. So the number is greater than 6. So greater than 6 means we take 8. 8 is divisible by 2 table, 4 times, 2 4s are 8. The same way, 8 is not divisible by 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 8 is not divisible by 6 table. Next, third one, divisible by 4 but not divisible by 8. The number is greater than 8. So example 12. Example 12. 12 is divisible by 4 table but not divisible by 8 table. 4 3s are 12. But 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So in 12, 8 table is not divisible, right? Next one, divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So what is this condition? Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Very good. This is divisibility by 6 condition. Divisibility by 6 conditions. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 means then the number is exactly divisible by 6th table. So multiples of 6. Multiples of 6. So multiples of 6 means 6, 12, next one 18, 24. These numbers are divisible by 2 table and 3 table. So the both 2 and 3 multiples of 6. Next one, divisible by 5 and 10. Divisible by 5 and 10. So this is example. Very good. Multiples of 10. Multiples of 10. So multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, these are the multiples of 10. These numbers are exactly divisible by 5 table and 10 table, right? Next one, 2, Roman number 2. Is it possible a number is divisible by 8 but not divisible by 4? Is it possible? Very good. It's not possible. This is impossible condition. So it is not possible. Why it is not possible? Very good. If the number is divided by 8 means then the number is exactly divisible by 4 table also. So example listen, we take multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 means 8 and 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So these numbers are multiples of 8. This number is divisible by 8 table. The same time this number is exactly divisible by 4 table. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, 4 8s are 32, 4 10s are 40, 4 12s are 48. So all the number multiples of 8 means then the whole number is divisible by multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. So it is not possible. In this session we discussed about divisibility by test. So first divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 and divisible by 6 condition. Thank you. In the next class we will see divisible by 3 and divisible by 4, 5, 6 condition, right? Kindly go through, study well. Thank you.